Tania. You can find me online as VolverVintage. I sell vintage and modern brands over on sites like eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Etsy. I still haven't canceled any platform, so I'm still selling everywhere. I am planning to do a no thrifting summer. So I got this order just in the nick of time, right before summer officially starts. So I got one last big order in before I really limit my sourcing, just because I really want to focus this summer on clearing stuff out, just so I can start fresh with new inventory, start sourcing again. So yeah, but it's really hard to say you're not sourcing, because sometimes a lot of good inventory just comes at random times. Sometimes you're just in the right place at the right time and you have to buy things. And this kind of happened to me. I just happened to open Instagram right as I saw a post and I was like, I need to get this box. So I ordered a wholesale box from Found by Phil. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel here. He hasn't been active on YouTube for a while, but he's always on Instagram, and he is over on Whatnot killing it. He does live auctions, he buys pallets. So I just happened to open Instagram when he had just posted that he had 3 boxes available from the brand Unique Vintage. I love buying Unique Vintage. I buy it, I wear it, and I love reselling it. It does really well for me whenever I find a Unique Vintage piece. 99.9% of the time I pick it up and it flips for a good profit. So when I saw that he had these boxes available, I immediately ordered one. So his box was 60 pieces for $150, free shipping. After I checked out, it did come out to about $161. I'm gonna post it here. I'm not sure. It was like 160 something. I did the math. According to his listing, there's supposed to be at least 60 pieces in this box. So if I do the math, that comes out to about $2.60 a piece, which is a really good price for inventory. You generally want to keep it as low as possible. So under $3 is really good. So let's go ahead and unbox this order. It did come in a medium box from Lowe's. It's a 45-pound box. So I'm kind of amazed at how much I'm getting for the price, because that's a really good deal. So let's go ahead and unbox this order. All right, sorry for the lighting and the bad angle, but this is where the only place I can film right now. So let's go ahead and open this box. I can't believe he included free shipping, because I'm like, this is a 45-pound box. So that's another reason why I jumped on ordering one, because it was a good deal. All right. So I am going to link his website for you guys to review. And he did mention that there would be repeat styles, repeat colors, and you could, there might be like some sizes, no sizes available. For example, you could get like mediums, but no larges. So it is going to be a mix of sizing. And he did say some of them are in poly bags and some of them are not. So that was a-okay with me. Ooh, oh my god, how cute. This is from the Flintstones collection. This is so cute. I love Unique Vintage. They have really cool, oh my god, look at this, like ladybug gingham print. More ladybug gingham print. Polka dots. I love polka dots. This is like a bikini bottom, perfect for summer. New with tags. This is a small. Oh, it's a top. It's not a bottom. It's a little swim top. Cute. Let me open this. What is this? Oh, it's a little mini skirt. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. I love Unique Vintage. They have the cutest things. This is a mustard and orange dino print mini skirt. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my god, so cute. Another one. Ooh, this is a 1X. I love their plus size too. I could even keep some of this for me. What is this? Oh my god, this is adorable. A little shift dress. Oh my gosh, this is my size. It has candy canes. I don't care. It's still in season. Oh, I might keep one of these for me. More of those, like, I think these are bra tops. What are these? Okay, these are bikini bottoms. Well, like high-waisted little swim shorts. This is a 2X. Oh, this is from the Scooby-Doo collection. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a t-shirt dress. Very, I don't know which one's the one that wears this. Is this Scooby? Cute. This is a lot from their collabs. So Unique Vintage does a lot of like licensing collabs. Like they do Unique Vintage with Barbie, Unique Vintage with Care Bears. So this is with Smiley. So cute. Look at this, like happy face little wrap top. Oh my god. Obsessed. I love this box. I think I'm gonna order. I can't order another one. I can't. There's a lot of cute stuff in here. I'm so happy with this. What's this? Some wide leg trousers. More wide leg trousers. This is a 5X, so very good range of sizes. Some brown trousers. Some black trousers, size 4X. Loving this. If you are looking for plus size, I have some. If you love Unique Vintage, I have a lot of Unique Vintage. Ooh, this is a nice little wrap dress. Okay, I'm gonna have to like open this box and organize it in order to properly display everything that I found. All right, guys, so I had to move to the living room because I needed more space. This is everything in the box. The box was 60 pieces, Unique Vintage. It just said mix locked. I am so happy with this box. Look at all the different styles. There's over 25 different styles. Variety of sizes ranging from, I saw between size 4 up to 4X. I'm obsessed. A lot of swimwear. So the swimwear is up now. I'm putting it up immediately. A few holiday pieces, but not a lot. There's like 4. There was actually 64 pieces. So Phil gave me 4 extra pieces. So if I divide the total cost with shipping was free, tax was included, came out to $161.63 with tax. If I divide that by the total pieces that were included, which were 64, it brings down my cost to $2.52 per piece. So I'm super happy with this and gonna post it immediately. I'm gonna link Phil's Instagram and you can see his website if he has more boxes available. He buys a lot of pallets, so sometimes he does sell these boxes, and I am so happy with my purchase. I've only had like 3 sales this month, but it's a fun one. So let me show you what sold. So I sold this t-shirt. It's a Taylor Swift bodysuit. I think this is the one she uses in her midnight set on the Eras tour. Isn't this so fun? I found this at Goodwill, I want to say like a month ago. It was in the nightgown section and it was only $3.99. It doesn't have a label or anything, so I just posted it as a t-shirt. I listed it for $30 and I sent out an offer for $26 and discounted shipping, and buyer accepted. She messaged me to ship this ASAP because she is going to the Eras tour in Zurich, and I believe that show is on the 9th, so I am shipping this out immediately to her. Fun little sale. I thought this was so cute. We're getting ready to go to Disneyland because it's my 1-year anniversary and we get a service award ceremony that they're doing. It's at 11 a.m. It's 10:07, so I'm just gonna pack this up and head over there. There's a post office on the way. The ceremony is in downtown Disney at the Splitsville bowling alley. It's from 11 to 12. It said no guests. I'm hoping they serve like some sort of refreshment or something. But I also think I'm gonna stay and go inside the parks for a little bit, get myself like a lunchtime treat, and look for some merch. My sister is looking for a Spirit jersey, and I have another cousin that wants a pair of the Rapunzel ears that were sold out over the weekend. So I'm just gonna do a quick lap and see if I can find that merch for them. So come with me to my service ceremony and a quick trip to Disneyland.